of the matrix. We should find the rank of the matrix. See the order of the matrix. How many rows are there? Row 1, row 2, row 3. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So what is the order of matrix? So 3 rows into 4 columns. So order of the matrix indicate your rank, which is the minimum that you have to take. So now rank of the matrix. When you talk about the rank of the matrix, suppose if it is matrix A, let A, matrix A, then rank of matrix A equal to what? The minimum of order, which is the minimum of order that you have to take. That is your formula. So which is the minimum of 3, 4. 3, 4, the minimum value is 3. So the rank should be less than or equal to 3. Understand, dear students? You should take a 3. So rank of matrix is less than or equal to minimum of row and column. So rank should be 3 or less than 3. So how to find rank 3 or less than 3, sir? You have to find determinant. So rank of the matrix, you should find the determinant of this matrix. Now take first 3 column, alone you take and find the determinant. First 3 column, 1, 2, 3. Next one, 2, 4, 6. Next one, -1, 1, 3. Only first 3 column I have taken. Find the determinant value. How to find the determinant value? Take first value 1, leave the row and column. Leave the row and column, cross multiply 3 4s are 12, 1 6 are 6, cross multiply. So that is 12 minus 6. And take next value, negative of second value. What is the negative of second value? 2, put to -2, -2, and leave the row and column. First row and second column leave it, balance 2, 1, 3, 3. That you have to cross multiply. Okay. Cross multiply these 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3. So it is 6 minus 3. Next take next value, -1. This -1. Leave the first row and third column. Remaining element, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. So this you have to cross multiply and subtract. Okay, 12 minus 12. 12 minus 12. 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12, 12 minus 12 0. So what you have now? 12 minus 6 is 6, minus 2 into 6 minus 3, 3. So 2 into 3. And next term -1 into 0, so totally 0. This is 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. So what they have said in the rank of matrix, you have to check minor of 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3 minor. So there are 4 minor matrices. Okay. 3 cross 3 minor matrix, there are 4 minor matrix. We have to check all the 4 minor matrix. Okay. Now we left the last one. And first 3 C1, C2, C3 we find 0. Like that. Now we take C1, this is column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Now I have taken first 3 column only, correct? C1, C2, C3 is a minor matrix of order 3 cross 3 and the determinant value is 0. Like that, you have to take other columns. So how many minor matrix? 6 minor matrix will be there. See, that is C1, C2, C3, 1 minor matrix. Now take C1. Okay. Instead of C4, you can take now it's C1, C2, C4. Take another matrix. C1, C2, C4. So that matrix also you have to change whether the minor is 0 or not. So 1, 2, 3. C2, 2, 4, 6. C4 you have to take. Last column. 3, -2, -7. That's all. And this determinant value also 0. So how you set sir without doing See that here 1, 2, 3 is multiple of these C1, C2 are proportional. C1, C2 proportional. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So without expanding this, actually determinant means we are expanding and finding the determinant value. Okay, so without expanding, here also C1, C2 is proportional. C1 is proportional to C1 is proportional to C2. That's why the answer is 0. Without expanding, we can write. Even here also same technique. C1 proportional to C2. Therefore, the determinant value is 0. Now take a next minor matrix. C1. So I did C1, C2, C3. Now instead of C3, I put C4. Now instead of C2, I put remaining things. Now we can get another C1, C3, C4. You can check it. What is C1? 1, 2, 3. What is C3? Minus 1, 1, 3. What is C4? Column 4. 3, minus 2, minus 7. And this you have to check your determinant value. Whether the determinant value is 0 or not, that you have to check. Okay. If you expand this, you can find it. Correct? Take one common, leave the row and column, cross multiply. When you cross multiply, 1 into minus 7 is minus 7. This is minus or minus plus 6. Okay, cross multiply and subtract. 1 into minus 7, minus 7. 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus or minus 6 plus 6. So minus 7 plus 6. This is your first term. You have to take minus of. Already we have minus 1, so you can write plus 1. Plus 1. So minus of. Leave the first row and second column. Cross multiply 2 into minus 7. How much you will get 2 into minus 7? Yes, minus 14. 2 into minus 7 is minus 14. Minus of minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, plus 6. So the answer is 2 into minus 7, minus 14. Okay, plus 2 3s are minus 6, minus or minus 6, plus 6. And we can take last term 3 into, take 3 into, leave the third column under first row, balance you have to cross multiply. 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3. So 6 minus 3. Find the final value. Here minus 7 plus 6, so minus 1. Here minus 14 plus 6, so minus 8. Minus 8. Here we have 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 into 3, 9. So minus 9 plus 9 becomes 0. See, dear students, C1, when you take a column C1, C2, C3 also 0. C1, C2, C4 also 0. C1, C3, C4 also 0. Like that, one more determinant we can take. What is that? Without C1. Leave the C1, take C2, C3, C4. Take C2, C3, C4, and you can take a minor matrix. What is a minor matrix? C2, C3, C4. What is C2? 2, 4, 6. C3, minus 1, 1, 3. C4, 3, minus 2, minus 7. Take this and find the determinant value. Whether the determinant is 0 or not. Take the 2. When you take 2, leave the row and column. Cross multiply and subtract. Minus 7, minus of minus 6 plus 6. So minus 7 plus 6. Second term should take always minus of. When you take minus of, it becomes plus 1. Leave the row. First row, second column. 4 into minus 7. 4 7s are minus 28. And this you have to cross multiply, correct? 6 into minus 2, minus 12. So minus of minus 12 is plus 12. Take the last term, 3. 3 into. When you take 3 into, leave the first row and last column. 4 3s are 12 and 1 6 are 6. So 12 minus 6. What you have here? Minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Minus 28 plus 12, it is minus 16. 1 into minus 16, minus 16. 12 minus 66, 6 3s are 18. Minus 18 plus 18 become 0. So all the minor of 3 cross 3 is 0. What it mean? All the minor of 3 cross 3 matrix. All the minor of 3 cross 3 matrix determinant is 0. Therefore, rank should be 2. That's all. So when you see that rank is less than or equal to 3, now rank is strictly 3. Rank of matrix A should be less than 3. The beginning I write less than or equal to 3, correct? When the first step is less than or equal to 3. Maybe 3 or less than 3. It is clear that it is less than 3. Why? All the minor become 0, so rank never be 3. Is it 2 or not, sir? Then you can check with any 2 cross 2 minor. That 2 cross 2 minor should not equal to 0. For all the 2 cross 2 minor. Now you can take not C1, C2, don't take because multiple of C1 is C2. Don't take with C1, C2. Go with some other things. You can take C2, C3 also okay. 2 minus 1, 4, 1. Take the 2 cross 2 minor. That is 2. What is that? If you take a minor 2 minus 1, 4, 1 is a 2 cross 2 minor. When you cross multiply and subtract 1, 2, 2s are 1, 2s are 2. Minus of minus, minus 4. What is minus of minus 4 is plus 4. So 6 is the answer, which is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means rank is 2. Confirm. Rank of A is 2. Why rank of A is 2? Because 2 cross 2 minor not equal to 0. Suppose if you have all the 2 cross 2 minor